You can wire a programmable or Wi-Fi enabled thermostat in your home easily and safely with a few simple steps. Here's a list of the supplies you'll likely need. After turning off the power at the breaker box, remove the old thermostat's cover. Take a photo or make a note of the wiring configuration for reference later. Then, disconnect each wire using the appropriate screwdriver for your unit. Once all the wiring is disconnected, carefully remove the backplate. Now's a good time to patch any holes or repaint if necessary. Next, position the new thermostat's base, carefully bringing the wiring through the center. Using the provided hardware, secure the base to the wall. Some thermostats include self-tapping screws that make their own holes and ease the installation. With the base securely mounted, it's time to connect the wires to the new thermostat. Reference your photo or notes to ensure you place each wire into the correct connector. For this particular unit, you simply push down the connector button and insert the wire. To attach the display panel, gently push wires inside the base, then push it into place until it clicks. Now you can restore power at the breaker box and finish the setup process for your particular thermostat. Good luck, and thanks for shopping at the Home Depot.